Hi friend, today's topic is our time. Time is a great thing. Time never stop. Time never change. Time is always on click. Tick, tick, tick. Always. Let me tell you a short story, a father story. There was an old man named Ramesh who lived with son and his daughter-in-law. Every evening he sit at the dining table with them. One night his son come from tired from work. His father start talking about this day, but the son was uh, very busy looking at his mobile phone. Dad, uh, please, I am tired. We can talk tomorrow. The old man quietly stopped talking. The next evening, this same thing happened, and the next, slowly, old man stopped to trying to start conversation. Few weeks later, the the man is moved his daughter house. His son didn't think very much about it. He thought, I will visit them next weekend. But the next become next week become next month. Then in the morning, a phone rang. He pick up the call, and his sister say, father had passed away. Father has passed away. The phone held by the son cracked. The son rushed to his daughter's house and he walked into the dinner room and saw the empty chair. The same chair where his father sit every evening, and he stood there for a long time. Then he whispered, I thought I had more time. The son think uh, about time. I had more time. What will happen? We can't anymore imagine, or we can't anymore think about our parents, our native. We can't love so much. They gone one day. We can't think that much. We only think uh, tomorrow's project, tomorrow's deals. We can't think the unhappened things. What will happen with human? What will happen? That uncertain things. We can't think that thing. But time doesn't always warn you before it leave. So think about this story. How many time do we will tell ourselves, I will call them later, I will visit them later, I will spend more time with later, I will say sorry to later, I tell them I love them later. But what if later never come? We are so busy building our future, making money, sometimes we forget the people who help us. We can't reach it. We chase money, we chase success, we chase follower, we chase recognition. And man will someone who loves is simple waiting for a few minutes of our time. Human, what want we us from each other? Only 5 minutes of just 5 minutes of time. The sad thing is we often realize someone value when their chairs become empty. All of us life, uh, all of us life is become like the story. We realize the value of this human person after the chair is empty, after he is gone. When a person in front of us, with us, they live with us, they talk with us, we afraid to think talk to them. We cannot talk very much, we cannot respect them, but after gone we only memorize happy memory, strong memory with them. We can't realize bad memory. So call your parents, so talk your grandparents, so spend time with your friend. Ask someone how they are really doing, what they are doing, where they are. And if you have some time to kind to say it tomorrow. If you have time, say it tomorrow. Call your colleagues. Hi, how are you? What are you doing? Your one call give them help, give them hope. Ki we have someone to care. We have someone to talk. No, this person is nice. They call us. They reach us. They ask about their health. We ask about that health. Don't wait for the funeral to realize someone as important. Don't wait for distance to realize we should have called. Don't wait for the regret to reach you what gratitude would you have taught you today. Because if unpredictable, I tell you, time is predictable but life is unpredictable. We predict after 2 hours नंतर they are 1 p.m., 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. But life is not predictable. Life is unpredictable. After 1 o'clock, life is gone, human is gone, all are stopped, their time are changed. People are temporary, and time doesn't come with the rewind button. So before you say I'll do it tomorrow, ask simple question to yourself: what is tomorrow never comes? What if tomorrow is never come? Someone, the most valuable thing you can give someone isn't money. The most valuable thing in someone's life is not your money, is not your property. It is simply, it is not a gift. It is a simply 5 minutes of your time. Your time is greater than money someone's life, because one day the conversation you keep postponing might become the memory you wish you could have one more time. So think about it. Time is money. Money can't buy the time. Time valuable than money. Money has no value after time is gone. Okay.